Welcome to the video guide where we will be showing you how to perform flip-off test on vial seals. Place the vial in the special vial holder. The vial holder is made as per the exact size of the vial. Adjust the flip puller to a height lower than the seal. Start the software. Press 0 and then press start. As the vial seal gets pulled, the load is visible on the software screen. The moment the seal breaks off, the machine stops and returns to starting point. Remove the tested sample. Repeat the process with the remaining samples. Maximum 10 samples can be tested in one report. When all samples have been tested, press Save button to generate a PDF report.